Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today's video is actually in collaboration with Dossier. Dossier was kind enough to send me one of their fragrances to unbox and review for you guys today. If you don't know what Dossier is an affordable alternative to luxury fragrances and perfumes. They not only offer fragrances for women, but they offer fragrances for men as well. And y'all, they start off at only $29. Yes, you heard that right, $29. Who can beat that? So y'all know I like a deal, so of course I was like, let me try them out and see how this goes. Guys, you know, if you get any of your other perfumes and fragrances for both men or women, they start off at nearly probably $75, $80, $100, $150 depending on the fragrance. So guys, who can beat $29 for a fragrance that still has that luxury feel to it and smell as well? So guys, Dossier sent me one of their fragrances, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get on into this unboxing and let you guys know my honest review. So starting off, this is the packaging for Dossier. How cute. Something basic but still cute. I love the little box, and then it has Dossier's name across. And then as soon as you open up the fragrance, it gives you this message that says, iconic scents, designer qualities, no markups. So a nice little cute pop-up message that kind of gives you some detail about the fragrance. And then it comes with this little card as well. Excellent probably for testing. And then on the back of the card, they have the name of the fragrance. So the fragrance that I will be reviewing for you guys that I picked out was the Floral Jasmine. And then this Floral Jasmine is actually inspired by the Tom Ford Jasmine Rouge perfume. So this is the dupe for the Jasmine Rouge Tom Ford brand. So nice little information card. I like how they give you the details. They give you how it works. They give you the concentration, all the little notes of what's in this. And from what's in this, I can tell it probably smells pretty good, because anytime anything has vanilla in it, you know it's going to be a nice smelling fragrance. So this is the little card. Love this little card. And then this is the perfume. So they give you, not only do they give you the perfume, but guys, they give you a mini one as well. How cute. Y'all know that anytime you get a set of anything, you're not going to spend no $29 and get a miniature. So they gave me a miniature so I can just grab and go if I'm going out for a nice brunch or something like that and don't want to take a full bottle with you. You got your miniature one. So again, this is the Floral Jasmine scent. This is the actual bottle. Very cute. Simple but very, very cute. This is the bottle, and then it comes with the miniature one as well. So guys, I'm going to test out the miniature one. They have this little card, so I'm going to do 2 tests. Of course, when you get a fragrance, you got to spray it on the little card thing and then wipe it in the air. And then you also have to do a body test for your fragrances. So I'm going to do the card test, and then I'm going to do the body one, because you know your body chemistry can change at any time, and certain colognes and perfumes don't go right on certain people. But you know, so first things first, I'm going to take the card and then I'm going to spray the card. Give me a nice little puff. I'm going to do my wave in the air, and then I'm going to smell it. Guys, this smells really good actually. Like, it's like light but still gives you that floral, but still you can make a difference. Like if you're going out and you want to be, you know, fresh. I like it. It kind of gives you like a sweet, like nice flowery feel to it. It does give you like that floral jasmine feel to it. So I do like it. On the card, smells really good, y'all. It does smell good. Did my little wave test. It smells good. So now I'm gonna do the body one, body chemistry test. So I'm gonna, of course, take my little squirt, put it on my arm. So guys, y'all know y'all supposed to squirt and then dab. That's the proper way to put on perfume. So I'm gonna do my little dab. See what it smells like on me. It still smells good, like a floral, light, kind of airy feel to it. Definitely can make a difference, like in your outfit, like if you have a nice fragrance. And I actually like this fragrance. Very light, but still, you know, give you that floral feel to it. So guys, this is worth the $29 starting off. They have so many other fragrances, other different scents. So guys, check out Dossier. I will actually leave a link down in the description box if you guys want to try this out. They are offering 10% off for you guys, so I'll leave everything down in the description box below. Hopefully you guys like this scent as well. Just to start off, this is a nice one to start off with. Again, this is the floral jasmine. They come with this and they come with this. Starting off at $29, y'all cannot beat it. So guys, thank you all for watching. If you like what you see, continue to like, comment, and subscribe, and go grab y'all some Dossier. Bye bye.